So far we have been building a very cool interaction, and what I'm gonna do right now is I want to ensure that we have some information regarding, for example, satellite images or things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a TMS layer, and I can add this TMS layer is actually part of the workshop. So just and I'm gonna go to properties, and I'm gonna do the layer. I'm gonna add a map layer that is gonna be a TMS, and I'm gonna paste the URL that was provided on the workshop as an example. And just click update, close, and voila. So now if you select a different well, just center the map and you will see where that well is, what is the direction, what is the well, and you can zoom out and have different information and different views. You can actually select multiple wells and do the same and see how it actually interacts in the map. You can always do a lasso, for example, and select multiple wells in a lasso way and take a look of them in the map and so on. Okay, so let's go ahead and add filter the user interface that we wanted, and it's gonna come in the way of a text area. So the first thing that needs to happen is for you to add a text area. Go ahead and add a text area. And then we're gonna move some things around. So the text area is actually on the left side of the dashboard. I'm gonna take the text area and I'm gonna move it all the way to the left. And then we're gonna do some rearrangements. I want this map to remain here to the left of this one. And I want this table to be under this map. And I want this map to be by the left of this one. As you can tell, it's like playing a little bit with the space, moving things around, ensuring that you are displaying what you want to display in your dashboard. So here you go, you have everything that we put together. We have our KPIs, and we have now a text area located on the left side that we're going to use as a user interface. So the first thing that we want to add is a time range where the user is able to select the time window to display the data from. So to do that, we're gonna go right click of the mouse, edit text area, let's maximize it, and we're gonna bring a filter, and this filter is gonna come from my table, the engineer IP. It doesn't really matter because these two are linked, are connected, so I can bring one of the two, but in this case I'm gonna keep it my bigger table, the table that has all the production data and so on, as kind of the lead default table. So I'm gonna use this well ID. So I can actually come here and say things like select date or time range, and then this is going to be your time range, and save. Let's take a look of that. Oh, sorry. The first one, select a date range. This was my well, so let's do another one here for the time. Select a date range. So the date is going to come from production date, and save it again. As you can tell, automatically gives me that slider. Then you have the well ID, so select a well, right? And then you have your well ID. I can make this a little closer. I can make this a little bigger and just bold. I mean, here is where you can start seeing how this actually becomes like a nice interface for you to create a nice app, and you can change the look and feel of the dashboard, so it actually correlates with the application that you need to create. A couple of extra things that we can add here, for example, the fluid, so the user can click here what to see and what not to see, and perhaps also the type, maybe if it is horizontal or vertical or what. And we do this, and we do the type as well. There you go. Okay, perfect. So that looks good for now. We can just close it. This gives you a very good overview of the things that you can do in Spotfire. Okay, so you have completed the initial stage of this workshop. We have a functional dashboard that actually changes the data that displays based on this menu that we have on the left. Everything is interactive, everything is connected. You can zoom in and zoom out to the specific sections to have enhancement of the insights and the information. Also, I invite you to check the visualization, canvas styling, edit custom theme menu, because here you will find many options into the look and feel of the dashboard, the spacing between the visualizations, colors, fonts, size, many things that are gonna help you have a dashboard that has a better look and feel. And I will provide a set of resources that have tips and tricks into this kind of optimization of the look and feel of the dashboards. Okay, let's move on to the next session of the workshop. We're gonna keep learning about the Spotfire, and we're gonna explore some of the most advanced analytics capabilities, including the embedded machine learning and AI.